A pandemic can be a time of uncertainty and financial difficulty. Finding a source of income that keeps you safe and provides a decent living is difficult, but not impossible. Today, Purple Hippo brings you the 10 ways you can make money during a pandemic lockdown. Number 1 on the list can provide a decent income and security of work. But before we start, subscribe to Purple Hippo and ring that bell icon to get regular updates on the latest and most enthralling videos. Now let's start with number 10. Number 10, Virtual Assistant. At number 10, we have an online job that is rapidly gaining popularity due to the need to have a flexible work life, a virtual assistant. All small businesses need the help of a professional that would take care of the daily tasks that improves the functionality of the business. Several tiny administrative tasks can become massive and, if unattended, can hinder the overall progress of the business. A virtual assistant can manage the smallest of your worries from the click of their computer buttons. This job capacity is versatile, for it can be offered by the assistants even during the lockdown, as they can work from home. They would entail a list of services like scheduling appointments, paying bills, managing expense repayments, keep financial records, and make labeled files to organize everything. Number 9, Virtual Tutoring. At number 9, we have a new way of teaching that has taken the internet by storm: virtual tutoring. You can now become a virtual tutor and spread your knowledge to millions of eager students through learning platforms. This teaching process takes place through platforms including Udmey, edX, and Coursera. These platforms offer all the types of courses for a varied pool of individuals, ranging from IT, software, photography, music, art, health, and business. Your acumen and experience in any field can grant you expert status on the topic, and you can set up or create video tutorials. You could completely turn this opportunity into a profitable one. Virtual tutoring can become a great source of passive income. Number 8, Review Websites and Apps. At number 8, we have the digital world creating jobs for the online universe, and placing you at the center of things is the reviewing websites and apps. Websites like User Testing and Enroll app pay you for reviewing several websites and apps for helping them improve their user experience and interface. Following the registration process, they ask you to go over a list of websites and check out their pros and cons. It usually takes a few minutes to complete, and you get paid good amount for each review. Number 7, Get Paid to Search. Folks, if you want easy money without really having to do much, then this online job is going to suit you for sure. Paid to Search. As bizarre as the title might sound, it is truly what the name says. Companies all over the internet will pay you for doing something as trivial as searching the World Wide Web through giants like Google, Bing, or Amazon. Several services offer this program, but Udmey seems to be the best option, as it wouldn't force you to use a no-name search engine to start earning. You actually get paid a huge amount of cash just after installing the Udmey plugin on your Chrome or Firefox browser, and it's just as simple as that. It will continue to work its magic in the background and make you money for your searches. How cool is that? Number 6, Digital Marketing. At number 6, we have the most interesting way to earn money: digital marketing. This is one of the key jobs and domains that make sure your business will thrive and remain active enough to bring in more attraction. Brands across the board are looking for traffic, exposure, and awareness of their sites. This is the best time to take a job like this, learn more about it, and help brands create a stable and rigid online presence through digital marketing. In the capacity of a digital marketer, you'll be responsible for managing and implementing all the marketing campaigns, which promotes the products a company creates and wishes to offer to the clients. You'll have to promote the marketing campaigns that promote services that the company has to offer. At the same time, you should generate traffic and get more customers to their sites and views on their social media platforms. Digital marketing encompasses blogging, content marketing, website designing, mobile marketing, social media marketing, and SEO. Doesn't this sound like the perfect job in the world today? But before you go off learning the basics of digital marketing and choose your field of interest within it, drop a click on the bell icon and get a regular notification to catch the latest on strange happenings. Number 5. Invest in stock market. At number 5, we have the super easy and lucrative method of earning cash. That can be both a side thing and something you can use during the time of this pandemic. Investing your money in the stock market. This share trading business is for sure a risky business, but it is a risk worth taking. Sometimes it is expected that a market will crash, which could mean that this is a good time to get in. There is also the possibility that only a few stocks might perform well enough to get you anywhere. With the designing and creating of trading platforms such as IG or SelfWealth, you can now trade stocks from the comfort of your own living room online. To minimize the risk and increase profitability, you can invest in the exchange-traded funds that will allow you to access multiple company stocks in just one trade. The key is to remember that there are plenty of opportunities to make money, but also plenty to lose it as well. Number 4. Start a blog. At number 4, we have the storework domain of this country that can really be demanding and new for anyone jumping in that domain. Starting a blog or a vlog. This digital way of recording parts of your life or things surrounding something that interests you is very important. If you are good at writing or fluent in speaking, why not share it with the world? In today's world, you can actually monetize on pretty much anything from sharing your daily life to writing about your interests. Whether you create content in writing or video format, it is bound to get attention with the right marketing strategies and social media promotion. Publishing content on streaming services like YouTube has become a thing of the present, with bloggers and vloggers reaching fame and success overnight. The only two things needed are patience and consistency to really get successful. Number 3. Selling old stuff. At number 3, we have the moneymaker machine. If you have things lying around your house that have not been used by you in a while, or you have just gotten bored by them, this quick and easy way of making money involves selling this old stuff online, so that those in need of it can actually buy it. Clearly fitting to say that one man's trash is another man's gold. You can sell everything from old phones to old board games by listing them down on online marketplaces like eBay or Craigslist. In case of quick money, you can opt to sell gadgets through buyback companies like Declutter and Gazelle. All you have to do is get the best price for your stuff, clean it properly through disinfectant wipes, and your product will be good as new to be sold. Number 2. Filling surveys. At number 2, we have the slightly tedious yet easy to do survey filling. This can bring cash into your bank account in no time. Taking part in online surveys and research is one of the easiest and straightforward ways to earn cash. All you need to do is sign up on paid survey sites like Swagbucks or OneOpinion and answer the available surveys honestly. A typical survey may consist of 10 questions and take an estimate of 10 to 20 minutes to fill. You can actually earn a few $100s on the side, that too without putting in much effort or time. Number 1. Taking freelance gigs. And at number 1, we have the ultimate go-to for making money during a pandemic lockdown that is flexible and rewarding. Freelance gigs. This include gigs like content writing, social media management, designing a logo or posters, and even building a website. This can be done through websites like Upwork. You can actually start your work slow and make your way into building a clientele. So how cool does a decent monthly income from the comforts of your home sound? Which of these jobs would you gladly take up? Leave a comment down below. If you like this video, share with your friends who may benefit from this. And don't forget to subscribe to Purple Hippo and ring that bell icon to get regular updates on the latest videos. See you in the next video.